We are at the Mae Sa Waterfall. There's a trail here. Look, my dad and my husband walking along. Can you believe it? My dad has climbed up these hills along this trail that was straight up, and he's 76 years old, but he really has the endurance of like a 45-year-old, really. And I'm 41 and I feel like I have the endurance of a 76-year-old. Probably because I haven't exercised quite often. And anyway, here's Ted.
Maybe watch your feet here.
Okay, here we go. Going down. Wait, I want to catch up here. Catch up to my dad so you can take a video. Okay, folks. There's Ted's speeding along, catching my dad as he goes up the steps without any problem at all.
The top. That looks like in bad shape.
I'm not sure you can walk through it.
Don't walk on there.
Well, here I am, lagging behind the 76-year-old. Okay, so let's take a look at the waterfall.
Falling apart.
And as you can see, we've got a bridge or an area falling apart. But for whatever reason, it's not blocked off. As is many things that are rickety in Thailand where you could fall off. It's kind of like walk at your own risk, hike at your own risk. Okay. So Dad, do you have any words of victory for walking?
Yeah, we conquered the height.
We conquered the height? 10 levels out of 10.
You recorded all that mess. Look at what a broken.
All broken. Too bad.
Here's the waterfall, folks. See?
That's number 10.
10 out of 10. And he's 76 going on 45. We are the champions.
Okay.